What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It is early Sunday morning. You guys know what that means. Usually means cars and coffee. So I'm gonna take my clapped out Supra to one, which is gonna be probably a bad idea. This thing looks genuinely so bad. It's such a beautiful car, but these like few things just completely throw it off. Like the hood, the headlight, the few missing grills and stuff. But regardless, we're gonna take it to a cars and coffee because you guys know my friend Lou, aka Blended Gray, he's throwing his first cars and coffee. So of course I have to go and support my boy. This is actually the first car show or car meet of any kind that I'm going to this year, which is pretty crazy. And the first time I do it, I'm taking out the clapped out Supra. We still don't have the M3 yet. That should be done hopefully soon. I was hoping it would be done in time for this because that would be really cool. But you know, it's either the Supra or the X5, so I'm gonna choose the Supra in this case. But yeah, it's really dirty right now. What I'm gonna probably do is at least clean the wheels. You guys can see it's like caked in brake dust, and this thing is already embarrassing as it is, but we're gonna make it a little less embarrassing. Well, that wheel cleaner kind of sucked. Thankfully though, the pressure washer did most of the work. Anyways guys, I'm not gonna stress it too much. This car already looks bad as it is. It's not like it would have gone from bad to good. It's just gonna go from bad to a little less bad. Anyways, we're gonna get a cold start because it is genuinely early morning. Nice and quiet, which is honestly a good thing. Anyways guys, before we head out to the car meet, I just wanna take a moment to thank the video sponsor, and that is of course Simply Carbon Fiber, as my exhaust leak starts to rattle over there. So as you guys know at this point, I work Simply Carbon Fiber. Honestly, they're the one and only sponsor I work with as of right now because I genuinely like their stuff and I feel like you guys would too. They make a whole bunch of cool carbon fiber accessories, and of course us car enthusiasts, we love carbon. One of their coolest things, my favorite thing, is the forged carbon phone case. You guys can see just how good that looks. It's made out of real forged carbon and it has a nice red flake in it. This does come in multiple colors. I'm trying to see if I can find some sun so you guys can see the real beauty of this thing. But yeah, this thing really shines out in the sun, but it just looks really good. It's simple, it's tasteful. I literally rock this all the time, and I kid you not guys, like this, even non-car people will compliment me on it. You don't even have to like carbon to like this phone case. It just looks sick. I mean, look at that. Look at it. Even my wife, who's like not crazy about cars, loves it. So if you guys want one of these, they make a whole bunch of cool colors, from like red that you guys saw right there to gold, blue, green, purple, all of course mainly being in that like black and gray forged carbon, but then having that subtle taste of the color in there. Again, I work with Simply Carbon because I genuinely feel like you guys would like their stuff. So if you guys want some, there'll be some links in the description and in the comments. There's also a discount code for you guys to use to get an additional, I believe, like 10% off. But anyways, with that said, we're gonna head out. So like I was saying, it's been a while since I went to a car meet or a car show or anything like that. Literally haven't gone to any this year. And honestly, there's a few reasons for it. One, not a lot of them are close to me. Actually, like none of them are close to me. Most of them are like 2.5 hours away in New Jersey or Pennsylvania. I didn't even go to MPAC, which is a little unfortunate. That was also because I couldn't get a good ticket, but that's besides the point. But yeah, I mean, this one is pretty close, which is cool. I appreciate Lou doing it locally. And then yeah, the other reason is it seems like you guys don't really like the car meet content. Like whenever I do a video about car meets and stuff like that, they don't do that well. They don't really get that many likes. So it feels like you guys don't like them. But if that's not the case, maybe the YouTube algorithm's just not doing me justice on those. Let me know down in the comments below because I'll happily go to more car meets and car shows and stuff like that. I do like going to them, but they also have to make sense, especially when they're very far away. And then the other thing, guys, is my cars right now are not really car meet ready. The M3 will be once the wrap is done, but I don't have it with me, and that is just happening towards like the end of the car meet scene. But right now, let's go to this one and see how good it is and see how much you guys like this video, because this will be a test. So if you guys want to see more like it, hit that like button, show me that you guys like these types of videos. I mean, regardless, hit that like button. It helps me out way more than you think. I put in a lot of like time and effort into YouTube. What you guys don't see is like, so although I did wake up, it's really not that early. Like I woke up at 8 AM, not early at all, but I was up late last night finishing the video that I filmed yesterday. Now I'm not complaining, I actually enjoy making videos. It's one of my favorite parts is editing the videos, but you know, just know that there's a lot of work that goes into them. So hopefully you guys appreciate, hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, man, I'd be more than happy. But anyways, I'm gonna stop ranting because I know you guys are probably gonna skip through this whole part. So let's just get to this car meet and see what's up.
Exhaust tips on there look a little bit wide. Also, you have to account for this being an all-wheel drive, so the rear hips are wider.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, dude, it looks so like nice and wide.
It looks real gangsterish.
Yeah, no, I like it. These two cars next to each other.
Yeah.
You're right, though. We got to get rid of the wing.
Like, yo, the second you get rid of the wing, it looks like two dudes going out having fun.
Yeah, that sounds sus, but it's it's sick. This is the first time ever I'm gonna sit in a Porsche. How sad is that?
Stupid. It's locked? Damn.
What are you trying to say?
I was gonna think of a racist, we don't want your kind around here joke. Yo. But it couldn't come out. It's too early. Oh yeah, man. you made it. You see what I mean? Way more room, man.
Bro, this feels so much more spacious than the. Yeah,
but it's the same size.
You're not double fisting. Yo, it actually feels really good in here. What year is this again?
2017.
It does feel a little older though.
Yeah,
is it just me?
I like the quality, you know?
It says quality, but then...
bro.
How do you like the seats? The seats feel kind of loose. Like they don't really hold you in that well.
These are the 4-ways, so you can go up to 18-way, which are more comfortable, and then you can go buckets.
Oh, okay, so these are like the... Dude, this is crazy, man. Hold on, look at this. Bro, this is... You know, I love BMWs. I love the Supra, but this is just like... It just feels...
Yeah.
More,
I know what you mean.
Yeah, it just feels
I feel like that when I drive it.
I bet.
I feel like it's very focused and minimalistic.
Yeah.
But it feels good. Like the leather and stuff feels good in it.
The gauges look sick too. This is a sick car. I really like the panoramic.
Yeah, the whole thing comes up actually.
Yeah, it's sick. Nah, it's cool, man. We should probably go check out the other cars, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, I just randomly started filming, but Mike obviously pulled up. Yeah, we got, it's nothing too crazy, but we got a few.
Yeah, I don't really come out to these things.
Yeah, neither do I. I was literally saying earlier in this vlog, but we got 340, 440.
I don't like looking at cars stationary that much.
Yeah, no, I get it. This is cool. This is actually really cool.
Like these Apex has always been my favorite ones. Though. Well,
yeah, they look tasteful.
Yeah.
His car is locked because he doesn't trust us because we're poor apparently. But he's got red guts. This is a manual too.
I drive 7.89.
Yeah, 7.1 thousand. Yeah, that's the same one that I have on the 435, the Extron screen. Extron screen. I can't say that. That's, yeah. You did make a video. Does this bring you back to some old days?
Yeah, I don't think about that shit.
Nah. These are, hold on, are these Supra wheels?
Yeah, they are.
Bro, these are Supra wheels.
And yo, bro, they look way better one color.
Yeah, no, they do.
I will be honest though, he really did kill the gold though. Like he did a good job. This is what I was trying to envision for my car.
This is more bronze. I don't want to say that's gold.
That's
more bronze.
I told you that.
Nah, I like the I like the gold more honestly. This is nice. We got another M340. A lot of M340s. I mean, it makes sense because loose. Yeah, M340s are nice, man. They're honestly like a nice like everything car.
But this is his car right here.
Yeah, that's his. Look at this, guys. This is like a GTS style hood on an M340. This is really nice. This is like Lou's old car. I think it's also Drive It Gray. One day, oh, they have the M-Pack sticker. Must be nice. We got X3M. Yo, Mike.
It's already built.
Oh yeah, it's already pretty much built.
It looks like it has everything on it. So this is Tanzanite.
Tanzanite blue with the, what do you call it, the interior? I don't know when I'm, not Kanye, no, not.
Kamakami yellow, Kamakami orange. Kamakami orange.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, you guys will see a full video about this, I think, eventually, but this is Lou's new M3, G80 M3. He got it like pretty much already done up. BBS's, I'm not crazy about the BBS's personally. We'll definitely help him out, get some better grills and lips.
What year they made the new screens? Oh my God.
2023. 23, yeah. This one has a bigger screen. If you guys can't tell, this is Tanzanite blue, like we were saying, and it has orange interior.
More mature color.
Not crazy about these taillights, but yeah, it's a sick car, man. Honestly, I'm happy for Lou. He got rid of the M340. He always really wanted the M3, so I'm glad he finally got it. Yeah, it's sick. But anyways, I really like this. Bro, I would actually love to get an M4. If I were to get any other car, because right now I'm happy with the Supra, I'm happy with the G80. If I were to get another car, it would be an F82. But we'd have to do it cheaply, like a rebuilt one, and maybe I'll do the same thing that I'm doing with the Supra.
Don't do that,
come on, why not?
Right now.
Come on, well not right now, I can't afford it, bro, I'm broke.
Do you want to buy two up cars at once?
Yeah. It's like a two-person out.
I messed that one up.
Yeah, thanks, I'm gonna have to bleep all that out. I mean, but yo, if we do the same thing, look, because we're broke.
Poor.
Poor, is that what he said?
I identify as not rich.
If we get an F82 M4 in a similar fashion, little clapped, and we spend, you know, oh, your GoPro died?
Yeah, but I'm on the phone, that's all good.
No, that's all good.
I was about to talk shit about getting more beat up cars.
Listen, bro, it just matches my personality.
Nah, don't get me
Need some
wrong.
love.
I mean, look at that. That's pretty beat up.
Yeah, exactly. Yo, you gotta beat a Porsche. Legit, I think this is gonna be my formula from now on. I'm just gonna get clapped out cars and just like fix them up.
So I appreciate all of you for actually coming out and stepping out to actually wake up on a Sunday. Whoever watched the channel, I also appreciate you guys. Follow me on IG. Appreciate you. It's just something that I did for fun. What I'm trying to do is trying to do something downstate. Something where we don't have to go to Long Island, something that we don't have to go upstate to, something that's actually in our neighborhood. If you guys are interested in this, you guys can let me know. If you guys are on the channel, when I post a video, you guys say, yeah, let's do it again, I'll do it again. But also, we have to do our part too.
Yeah, LCI just pulled up. Yo, Mike, how do you feel about the headlights?
Hold on, my bad. My partner does me something.
I'm kind of indifferent. This is crazy though. It's pretty dope.
A little bit better on the M3.
It looks better on the M3?
In my eyes, I like it.
Yeah, honestly,
I like the LCI headlights better.
Than the pre-LCI?
Yeah, absolutely, 100%. It looks more aggressive. It matches the grill to me, if you ask me.
Yeah, no, I can see that. I can see that.
I
That's
really
the same
like
front
it,
lip that
yeah.
I have. It's nice. And then look, I think he has like an exhaust dump. Look at this. Oh, these are sick. LCI taillights, that's sick. And then look at this. Yeah, he's got an exhaust dump, pretty cool. We got some more cars, M340s. This crazy thing with a camera on, it must be fast, right? You have a camera like that. This is really cool. I know you guys like Beamers and all that, but these Vipers, man, this is like when I was a kid. I sound like an old man when I say that, but when I was a kid, these things were where it's at. Nothing too crazy, guys, you know, just a few local cars. I wish I had the M3 so I can bring it. Unfortunately, I had the clapped out Supra, but that's all right. But anyways, I don't think any more cars are really gonna be showing up. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. But if you guys enjoyed this, if you guys enjoyed this more of like just kind of, you know, relaxed type of video style, let me know, drop it a like. Anyways, with that said, this video is pretty much done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.